How to quickly delete a Facebook story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Then, in here, you will find your story beside Create Story. Click on your story. Then, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Delete Video, or if it's a photo, you'll find Delete Photo. Simply click on Delete. Then press on Delete again. And your Facebook story will be deleted. As you can see, if you reload the page, there is no more Facebook story. This is how to quickly delete a Facebook story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.